Hello everyone and welcome to San Nicolo Real Estate. I'm Natasha and today I would love to show you around a beautiful penthouse which is developed on 2 floors. Overall space counts 300 square meters and the apartment was completely refurbished only a year ago using the finest materials and finishes. It has underfloor heating. So would you like to see it? Let's go, I'll show you around. The apartment is situated in a beautiful residential area, only 10 minutes walking from the famous San Marco Square and the famous museums and all the touristic attractions. All the spaces were utilized for storage, so all the panels you see have hidden storage places. And here we find ourselves on the ground floor. There is a studio, a laundry room, a guest bathroom, another bedroom, a master double bedroom. Here we find ourselves in this large double bedroom that has an amazing space, which I'm going to show you now, and which is a dream of every woman for sure. Overall closets, walk-in space, and here we find ourselves in a bathroom. From the bedroom we have access to this colorful and bright bathroom. House has overall air conditioning system, surveillance system and underfloor heating. So let's go upstairs and show you the last part of the house. Going up to the second level, we have another bedroom with a studio and a lot of storage space and a bathroom. As you see, there are overall windows and the space is very modern and clean. So last but not least is probably the best part of the whole house. This amazing habitable terrace where you can wine and dine with your friends and just enjoy your time. So I guess for today the tour is finished. I really hope to see you back soon, and please write us your comments or questions. We would really appreciate it. Thank you so much and goodbye from San Nicolo Real Estate. See you next time.